Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're still playing what the... Oh, we're doing this again. Party Palace. Okay. So we have to get a higher ground first. I think it's gonna be something bad. So get it. Whoa! What is it? I don't know. Oh no! It's okay. I don't know what it is though. Whoa, okay. That's kind of weird. Okay, keep going. We have to get to the top. Oh no, I fell. Whoa, where am I? No! I'm fine. Well, I'm still falling, so I'll give up now if I die. But I probably did die. Ha ha.
Meteor shower.
Oh, it is a meteor shower. Then why did this start going right now?
How did I die? I should have done it. Don't touch.
Wait, what?
Don't touch
Right?
I said don't touch that.
Oh.
No.
No, just don't touch the block.
This is what?
Ew, I see everybody. How are they looking? They actually look pretty good.
They look like tiny blobs.
Yeah, they do. Get off my head.
I wish it was actually good.
Ooh, I see the meteors!
But they go
Come
like
to the
blobs.
meteors!
They're going in slow motion, stuck in the air.
Yeah. There we go.
I wish I could. Want me to push you off?
Oh, look at those survivors! That's a lot, actually.
I don't know if I'm on.
Probably.
I'm on.
Am I still on?
Yeah.
Good.
Window G. I'm 8.
Let me see. I don't see you. I don't see you now. You're not on it now.
Nice.
What's this? Death yourself.
Get on to the lighthouse.
To the coastal quick stop. To the lighthouse, everybody! Is no one listening to me?
I am.
Well, yeah. That's true. Oh, look, someone's coming. Ooh, Hydra. Okay. Where are you? Look. I hope it's easy stuff.
What is it?
I don't know.
Wait. Ah!
Stay indoors. Get down.
Get down.
How did I die? Excuse me. How did I die? Excuse me.
Excuse me.
I died.
How did I die?
I don't know. Am I gonna resurrect anything? I don't know. Oh, there we go.
I'm there?
No, you're not there.
Okay. I'm here.
You're here.
I'm on the top.
Oh.
I'm here.
I'm still there. I'm at the bottom.
I'm still not there. Make me there. Make me there.
I want to play another game. I want to see what games we can play. That's Roblox. Let's see. Ooh, here. It's loading. Total War Arena.
What are you
Phantom Forces Pokemon Legends.
Yeah.
What? Nothing's happening.
Something's gonna happen.
Are you sure? Okay, it could happen to you insurance. Insurance. Okay, insurance. Wait.
I wish I was happy.
Man.
I don't know what
Neverland. Ooh, we can play Neverland Lagoon. Now let's play Neverland.
Wait, no, 1 minute.
Hmm? Oh, we're in the school thing. Why is my thing all bumpy?
I know, right?
Monkey? Oh no! Don't. I hope I
There's
die.
protection here.
Got it.
My protection! My protection place! It's gone.
Girls' bathroom. Girls' bathroom. Girls' bathroom.
I can't.
Okay.
Help me! Okay.
I'm in one of the stalls.
Stop all your hands.
You have to get out of here. It's crashing.
School's crashing.
Okay, for people who don't like school, this is probably your best approach. But you know, you can't survive. Ah! Tornado, go up. Uh-oh.
Tomato?
Jump. Oh no, I lost my hair. I don't know why. Okay. Yeah, I did. Yes, I did. What do you mean I didn't? Tornado! I'm lying down for some reason. Jump! Get up, me! Get up! Okay, come on.
No.
Let's go. See, I told you.
I lost my hair and sunglasses.
Me too. So don't. Hey! You die.
Not me.
Oh my gosh, tornado's so scary. I lost an arm! Rip
Didn't.
arm. Yes, I did. I did on my screen.
Wait, is that me?
Yes, that's you.
Okay, now you did.
I lost an arm.
You didn't lose your shoulder.
Yeah, I didn't lose my shoulder.
What?
Hey, wait a second. Oh no, I mean we survived.
Wait a second. Where's my hair? Where's my sunglasses?
Ooh, I received 10 points. Alright, let's play Lagoon now.
Yeah, because I
Neverland Lagoon. Just follow me. Neverland Lagoon. Oops.
Whoa, Roblox mermaid!
Okay.
I want to be a mermaid.
Lagoon.
Which one is it?
I don't know. I'm not there yet. Rebuilding now. The rebuilding.
What?
The first one!
Oh, okay.
Wait, no, don't go. I want you to join me. I'm so hot. I'm flying away. Okay, I'm back. Ew, okay.
Okay, I'm joining. Wait for me.
I'm just waiting.
Wait.
Now! Wait! Now!
Okay,
Yeah, I'm coming. Okay. More.
Okay, I see it.
What are the morph options? Adult, young, child. Okay, this is boring. Huh? How did I die? Excuse me.
Maybe I'm moving. Oh, I'm moving. But I might.
Okay. I can make your hands clap. Make your hands clap. Which one's Karina's hairstyle?
How do you get your hairstyle off?
I don't know. I look good. I do look pretty good. Alright, I want a mermaid. Wait, not a mermaid. I want a fairy.
How do you get your hair off?
I don't know. It's ugly. No, I am. There, better. Huh. Hi. Ooh. Let's go.
Wait.
I'm beautiful.
Wait.
I'm getting something to wear. It's beautiful. Hey, this looks pretty cool. Not bad. I look good.
Okay, there you go.
Are you ready?
Okay.
Wait, I need the hair. Hey, where's Karina's hair?
I don't know.
Where'd it go? I want
I think someone else has it.
Seriously? What hair should I get? I don't know what kind of hair I get. I'm just gonna get this one again. Alright guys, we'll see y'all